The toe tap from Applewhite. Bad pass, all telegraphed and picked out the other way for Haiti. And they have numbers at least a 3-on-2. Pushing forward on the right-hand side, coming out. Oh, that ball goes top shelf the left-hand side, and they score. Labissiere makes it 3-1 Haiti. A slow pass, and back the other way comes Nazon leading the charge. At this point, if you are Sumter, you have to commit. I mean, you're stuck. You're stuck in no man's land. Nazon here down the middle of the gut. Kentavi on the right-hand side, Labissiere on the left. So a 3-on-2 for all intents and purposes. And Labissiere